a red grape called Barbera. Hey, welcome back for day 8 of the Wine Advent Calendar for 2024. I am Chris Casari, your host from Drinking It In, and each day we're bringing you a little snippet on a grape, the wines that it makes, and a wine for you to seek out because I recommend it. Hopefully your tastes align with me, so what I'm recommending will align with something you will enjoy. I realized that as I hadn't kind of gone through my methodology and how we selected the 24 grapes that we're profiling between December 1st and the 24th. What I did is I put a list of about 60 grapes into the Google random selector and just selected had them selected at random, right? And then what I did is I just organized the order so that we were doing a mix of red and whites in sort of a flow that I thought made sense, rather than just kind of take whatever it was. And, I think at first when I looked at it, 13 of the first 14 wines on the list were reds, and I thought that would be a bit overkill. So I just mixed it up a bit. But the grapes were selected by the good people at Google. So here we are. We're in day 8, and we're going to Italy, where we're going to a red grape called Barbera. Now, Barbera is it's in the Piemonte, right? So northern Italy, right in that generally in the same areas as Nebbiolo, in that same general area as Barolo and Barbaresco, but Barbera is much more widely planted, usually not as well taken care of in terms of maybe not in the vineyard, but like really making serious selections of the grape. People are making wine a little more economically, but some of the Barbera out there is just stunning and amazing, an amazing wine value. So Barbera, we're talking medium to full-bodied reds, very low in tannins, so really easy to drink. They don't dry your mouth out at all, and the acid is nice and high. Flavor profiles, they can border on red fruit and black fruit. So you get cherries, you can get blackberries. There is also a little bit of an herbal note to a lot of the Barberas that I've tasted. Like I said, Italy in the Piemonte, that's where you're going to get the best Barbera. I typically look for Barbera di Asti and Barbera di Alba, but not a deal breaker. If you just have a Barbera that may be from the broader Langhe region, it still has a lot of potential. One Barbera that I love is the Vietto Barbera di Asti Tre Vigne. So I think they take grapes from 3 different vineyards in the Asti region and put it into the wine. Vietto, great producer, make awesome quality wines across the board, and their Barbera di Asti Tre Vigne is really quite nice. So I suggest you get out there and try a Barbera, and I will see you again tomorrow.